Have you ever wondered what secrets lie within the walls of the magnificent Sophia Mosque Museum? This architectural jewel, nestled in the heart of the city, is not just a museum, but a testament to the rich tapestry of history and culture that has shaped our world. Born initially as a mosque, its spiritual roots run deep. But the Sophia Mosque has always been more than a house of worship. Its transformation into a museum was not an end, but a new beginning, a chance to share its stories with the world. Every arch, every pillar, every intricately designed fresco whispers tales of times past. This museum is not a building, but a time capsule, a preservation of history that stands tall and proud. Sophia Mosque Museum, with its awe-inspiring architecture, is a symbol of unity, a beacon of culture, and a tribute to the human spirit's resilience. So, stay with us as we unravel the hidden tales of the Sophia Mosque Museum. And don't forget, if you want to further explore captivating stories like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue to uncover the secrets of our shared history. Now journey with us as we delve deeper into the chronicles of the Sophia Mosque Museum. This architectural marvel, often praised for its grandeur, offers more than what meets the eye. Its secrets lie hidden within its very fabric, each stone whispering tales from a bygone era. Let's first consider the unique architectural features of the museum. The Sophia Mosque Museum is a blend of various architectural styles. It's a cocktail of Byzantine, Ottoman, and contemporary influences, making it a symbol of harmony and unity. Each dome, pillar, and arch carries an imprint of the time, place, and people who contributed to its creation. Next, we turn our attention to the mysterious symbols etched into the museum's walls. These symbols, often overlooked by the untrained eye, are believed to be messages from the past. They range from abstract geometric designs to intricate calligraphic verses, each carrying a profound meaning. These symbols serve as a silent dialogue between the past and the present, adding an extra layer of mystique to the museum. Finally, the museum has been a silent witness to numerous historical events, from royal coronations to political upheavals. Its walls have absorbed the echoes of history, adding depth and relevance to its existence. It stands as a testament to the resilience and fortitude of its people. These hidden facts not only add to the allure of the Sophia Mosque Museum but also paint a vivid picture of its glorious past. In the short span of our journey, we've unearthed fascinating facts hidden within the Sophia Mosque Museum. We've delved into the clandestine chronicles, revealing the museum's rich history, its cultural significance, and the captivating stories that lie within its walls. From the intricate architecture to the profound narratives it holds, each secret we've discovered adds a new layer to our understanding of this remarkable monument. The Sophia Mosque Museum is more than just a monument. It's a silent storyteller, whispering tales of a bygone era. As we conclude, we invite you to explore and appreciate its beauty and